So, Mayor, how come the KSAMC you've led since February last year owes the National Water Commission $151 million for unpaid water bills? The precise figure: $151,278,440.03. So you said the right thing about those who owe the KSAMC, and that you're going to call them out if they don't pay up, and the importance of the funds to the KSAMC's operation, and it's a point of principle, and that they must fulfill their obligations. When will you fulfill yours? When will you discuss a payment plan with the NWC? When will you pay the Water Commission the money that your KSAMC owes?